In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp group. At first, open up WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on the new group option. Then choose who you want to add your group. You can scroll through the contacts and find them, or tap on the search bar at the top and search for them. If you can find them, simply tap here to select them. Once you have selected them, tap next. Then type in a group name. You can also add a group profile picture. To do that, tap on this button and it will show you the option. For example, I can tap gallery photo and upload a photo from the camera roll as the profile picture. You can also enable disappearing messages and adjust group permissions. All you have to do next is tap create to finish the process and create your WhatsApp group. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.